Universal Serial Bus or pen drive. Engineering gadgets. Pen drive, a data storage device that includes flash memory with an integrated USB interface. A typical USB drive is removable, rewritable, and smaller than an optical disc, and usually weighs less than 30 G. Since first offered for sale in late 2000, the storage capacities of USB drives range from 8 MB to 256 GB. 4 TB flash drives were the largest currently in production. Some allow up to 100,000 write/erase cycles, depending on the exact type of memory chip used, and are thought to physically last between 10 and 100 years under normal circumstances. Until about 2005, most desktop and laptop computers were supplied with floppy disk drives in addition to USB ports, but floppy disk drives became obsolete after widespread adoption of USB ports and the larger USB drive capacity compared to the 1.44 MB 3.5-inch floppy disk. A flash drive consists of a small printed circuit board carrying the circuit elements and a USB connector, insulated electrically and protected inside a plastic, metal, or rubberized case, which can be carried in a pocket or on a keychain, for example. Some are equipped with an I/O indication LED that lights up or blinks upon access. The USB connector may be protected by a removable cap or by retracting into the body of the drive, although it is not likely to be damaged if unprotected. Most flash drives use a standard Type A USB connection, allowing connection with a port on a personal computer, but drives for other interfaces also exist. On a USB flash drive, one end of the device is fitted with a single USB plug. Some flash drives additionally offer a micro USB plug, facilitating data transfers between different devices. Inside the casing is a small printed circuit board, which has some power circuitry and a small number of surface-mounted integrated circuits, ICs. Typically, one of these ICs provides an interface between the USB connector and the onboard memory, while the other is the flash memory. Drives typically use the USB mass storage device class to communicate with the host. Most USB flash drives weigh less than 30 G. While some manufacturers are competing for the smallest size, with the biggest memory, offering drives only a few millimeters larger than the USB plug itself, some manufacturers differentiate their products by using elaborate housings, which are often bulky and make the drive difficult to connect to the USB port. Because the USB port connectors on a computer housing are often closely spaced, plugging a flash drive into a USB port may block an adjacent port. There are various pen drive with varying memory like 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB currently in use for transfer data such as music, images, videos, files, documents. USB-A, the standard, rectangular USB connector found on most computers and devices. USB-C, a newer, smaller, and reversible USB connector that supports faster data transfer and power delivery. Micro USB, a smaller version of the USB-A connector, often used for older mobile devices and some pen drives.